Hi, my name is Oscar, and I'm starting a train video of Hero going backwards. Ready? Wait, I'm not ready yet. We need the coach. We need this. We're doing...
While you're doing this video, would you like to say anything to Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
What would you like to say?
I would like to say, hi, Mommy and Daddy. I really love you. And I'm playing trains at Grandma and Grandpa's house. And that's it.
And that's it?
Nope.
Okay.
And
You're going to say bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy?
we were going to say,
Do you have to wander around when you're talking?
I have to play trains, and that's it.
And that's it? Okay.
Yes.
So you're done talking? How about that?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's talk to Mommy and Daddy now.
Let's talk to Mommy and Daddy now?
Yes.
Oh, well, do you want to get your finger out of your nose while you're doing that? What do you want to say to Mommy and Daddy?
Well,
Whoa.
I'm gonna say hi. I really missed you, and now I'm going to play trains at
Okay.
Grandpa's house. See
Okay.
you soon. Bye bye. That's it.